everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have like an interesting kind of video. I've never done this kind of concept before, but I'm actually doing a boxing video. So my friend Grace, that she's one of my subscribers, she reached out to me. She said that I actually inspired her to do her on YouTube. Like, that to me makes me feel so, just so like honored and so special that she wants to do YouTube because of videos she's seen of me do it. Like, that's so crazy that you can inspire someone to be like that. Like, honestly, like, my camera's not focusing. Like, honestly, I feel so proud. I feel like a mum. I'm like, it's like she's my little daughter, like, YouTube protege. But I'm so freaking, I'm so happy. Like, when she reached out to me and she was like, hey, I really want to, you know, talk to you. You probably won't even talk to me. And I'm like, that's just so weird. Reach out to me if you want to talk to me. Like, I'm not scary. Like, honestly, I was so honored, like, started talking to her. And right away, I was like, I need to show my appreciation somehow. I need to, like, I need to buy her stuff. Not like that. It's just more, I show my appreciation by, like, giving people things, being generous. Like, that's just how I do it. Like, like, I need to switch arms because it really hurts. Like, it's not arm day today. I'm like, oh, my hair looks a bit crazy. I had to find like a pretty background that was like blank, but it's not just my wardrobe. Like, Anyway, so I thought, you know, everyone that sends me something, I always send them something back because I'm just so appreciative that someone's taken the time to first of all watch my videos, thank you, and then also send me something. Like, I'm just so like, So anyway, I thought I would do this boxing video. I got a bunch of stuff together, yeah, so when I started talking to her, I started getting all these things, and I was like watching the videos she puts out. She puts little shout outs to me. Says shout out to you, Grace. You can follow her on all her socials, a link down below as well. And yeah, she, you know, I started like going through, I kind of stalked her a little bit, just a little bit. And then the comments she'd leave on my Instagram, I started picking up on those. I started collecting things to send her. I know that sounds so freaking creepy, but Typo New Zealand has like the best range of things. So I started buying things like from there and getting all these things together. And yeah, I really hope that she likes them. And I put some thought and effort into it, and I wrote her a note. And I'm so, Grace, if you're watching this, hopefully you will. I'm so grateful to you. I love you so much. To all my subscribers out there, I'm so thankful to you guys as well. Don't ever feel like you can't reach out to us. Like, like I'm such a famous YouTuber, but like, don't feel like you can't reach out to people that you want to be friends with. Like, I feel like YouTube, it should be about like talking to people, meeting people. Like, I love talking to people. It's crazy, it's great. I'm just a talker, as you guys can tell, because now I've waffled on for like 5 minutes or something like that. I don't even know, but I need to swap arms again because my arm's tired. But yeah, honestly, this is a video of me putting all the things together. And yeah, so anyway, so I was like, I'm gonna send this to her, I want to surprise her. But I'm like, you can't surprise someone if you don't know their address. I know she lives in Virginia. Is that how you say it? Virginia? I don't know. Like, I know she lives there, but I'm like, how do you surprise someone without sending them something? And then she messaged me and she's like, I really want to send you something. I was like, okay girl, send me something. Because then I can get her sender's address on there and put it on the box and send her present. Yeah. So I'm gonna box it all up now for you guys so you can see. Yeah. Okay, so now that I'm actually looking at everything that's here, I'm gonna need a bigger box. I got this box, realized that it's ripped. But we can tape this up later, right? I don't know. Do I need to zoom out a little bit? I've never filmed like a boxing video, so this is really weird. I'm like, where's all the things that are everywhere? This is crazy. Alright, so we've got our box. Now, I thought I would explain kind of what I'm putting in here. I wrote her a wee note. But I also got her a few things. Also, because I'm in another country, I thought I'm going to get things that can be packaged well. So I've got lollies to insulate everything and pack it in the box. So I got her this mug, and it's got a dog and a donut. It's really cute. It's a ceramic one. I'll see if I can open it and show you guys. Because honestly, I thought this was so cute. In one of her videos, she said that she loved mugs, and I saw this one and I was like, she is gonna die. Like, look how freaking cute. She could even put her makeup brushes in there if she wanted. Just saying, just saying. So that's him there. I figure I might as well just leave him in the box. otherwise he might break with traveling all the way to Florida. But yeah, oh god. I'm literally just breaking everything. I shouldn't do this. Okay, so first box is in, and as you can see, it's already taken up pretty much the whole box now. So now I need to work very tactically to work out what I'm going to do next. I think I'm going to put this one in. This is a coffee mug I got her. I got this from Typo, New Zealand as well. Hashtag not sponsored. And it's like a glitter coffee mug. Like when I saw this, because I got it online, I was just like, I need that in my life. Why don't I have that? So I think that was Squeezy. It's fit like right down there. So that's really good. And then I have here, what is this? I need to pull the price sticker off so she can't see that. She don't need to see that shit in her life. And this is really cute. Oh, I can't like super pull it out. I so can. Look, it's a donut shaped, I'm just trying to unrip the lid. It's a donut shaped scented candle and it smells like vanilla. Like how cute. How cute is that? I saw that and I was like, she needs this in her life. She was talking about how she likes cutesy little things in her Dollar Tree haul, and I was just like, oh my god, I feel like I'm such a stalker because I'm like, I know what you want, girl, I fix you. But I just saw these things and I was like, oh my god, she needs them. So let's pop her in the box as well. And then we have here, I think this is another mug. Yeah, so this is another mug. And I think it's so super cute, and it's a heart. And I just thought that was so cute because she really likes fancy mugs, so I thought that's real cute. And I'm like, you know, I just loved it. I thought it was cute, so that's gonna go into, put that in here, so that's filled up that side. Then I kind of feel like I want to cram it in this side. I'm scared it's gonna break, so I think I need to juggle some things around in there. I'm not quite sure. So, and then I also got this. I thought this was really cute. It just says carbs on it. It's a little like wallet thing. I thought that was really cute because bitch loves food. I like food. And then I got her these two pens. They are, it's a rose gold and a gold Mickey Mouse pen. I know she loves Mickey Mouse. She got Mickey Mouse pajamas. I really do sound like a stalker. I promise I'm actually not. Also, she commented on what see, I'm just well prepared. When people send me stuff, I'm well prepared with a present. This is a sugar skull ornament. She commented on one of my videos, on one of my Instagram posts. Follow me at Cerise1307. She commented on one of my Instagram posts and she was like, oh my god, I love sugar skulls, so I thought I'd get her one of those. I also got her this cute bag. In one of her videos she says she loves tote bags, so I got this one. It also helps kids in need. What does it say? Yeah, so it helps kids in need. This one, it's got roses on it. I thought it was cute and it's for a good cause, so I got that, and I thought it would be good for like packing down things. And then also some tattoo lipsticks I thought she could use on her channel as well, so I got them, so I'll put them in there. I also got a super fat marker by NYX because we're all a little bit super fat, aren't we? I'm just joking. And then I got her these from Typo as well. So they're shower shaped, I can't even speak. Sour shapes gummies, and there's a little rainbow, and I thought that was so cute. And it's also a little like ornament thing. I'm just like, that's cute. And then, okay, so now we've got that box like done up. Then I had to get some lollies. She loves white chocolate. LMP is a fizzy here because we have pie roller, so it's like a national drink or whatever. So I got them. Whittaker's is a New Zealand brand too, so I got those. Pineapple lumps. Every subscriber that's brought me something has been given a pineapple lumps because it's a taste of New Zealand. It's not anywhere else in the world. Some Top Deck chocolate. Again, she likes white chocolate, and milk chocolate. You can't go wrong. If you like one or the other, you got it. Some Jaffas. So I'm actually quite tan, and then I'm also orange because my natural hair color is ginger, so I'm pretty much a Jaffa. So there we go. And then I have a block of West Coast buttermilk caramelized white chocolate with gingerbread biscuit. It's a block of chocolate. I thought she'd like that too because I know she likes sweets. And then I have two malt Easter Easter bunnies. I thought that was so super cute. And it's also Easter soon, so I think we'll get to it before Easter, but I'm not quite sure. And then I have a Dairy Milk Black Forest because that flavour is just the tits. It is just really good. So pop that in there. And then Marvelous Creations. Got popping candy in this one, which I really like. And then last but not least, I got 3 Peanut Slab flavours. Peanut Slabs are my favourite candy bar, well, chocolate bar in New Zealand. So there is the Peanut Slab, which is peanuts, almonds, which is almonds. I know I can't say almond, almonds, however you say it, I can't say it. And then creamy milk. So I got those. And then also it didn't look like it was packed enough when I did it. So I was like, gotta get that picture hoodie. So I got this. I got it off Wish and it actually did arrive in time. And it's kind of like a pink to white ombre. I thought it was really cute, and I thought it would look really nice on her, you know. I just thought it would look nice on her. I got it in like a huge size. It won't fit me, but I know it will definitely fit her. And I thought that that would be a nice kind of gift because I like to wear pink and white a lot, so it's pretty much me as a jersey, so I thought that that would be really cute. And then, of course, I'm going to put my note on top, which fits perfectly on it, but I think I might fold that up. And just kind of cram this all in, and then just kind of pray and try and smush this down. Maybe get like a bit of paper and just tape up the whole thing and just tape it hard out. And yeah, I've never really done an unboxing video, but there, everything's boxed. I will tape it and put her address on it when it arrives, because at the moment I've filmed this part, but I haven't actually got her gift to me yet. So I haven't got her address because I don't want to ask her for her address. I want to surprise her, so I need to get her address. So I'm going to wait for that to come and then write the address on here. So yeah. Duh. Okay, so all taped up. I should really fix this like corner bit. But all taped up. I actually put my address on the bottom in like on like a piece of paper to cover up the hole. I've written fragile on like each side. Look, from my note, like writing it because I'm left-handed. And then I've written fragile on that side and this side, and then I'll put her address on top, and hopefully it doesn't break the stuff that's in there. I did kind of structure everything around in there again. Chances are by looking outside all the chocolate inside will melt, but that's okay. So hopefully it gets there in one piece. We'll find out in a few weeks after I pay $1 million in shipping, but that's okay. The price we pay for love. Hey guys, so I just did my unboxing of all the stuff that she got me, and oh my god, she went hard. So I'm so glad that I got her as much stuff as I did, and she like so totally doesn't even know I'm going to get her anything, so I'm so freaking excited. I'm so glad I could pull this off because I looked at the box, there was no address on there, and I was like, oh my god. But then right there under all of the, because the customs had like rewrapped it and they'd rewrapped over it, and then there was her address on there. I was like, thank god it's there. But look at all the stuff that she got me. I will link this video of the unboxing down below, and look at this beautiful drawing she's done of me. Honestly, I'm just like, I don't deserve this girl, honestly. So I am going to be boxing all this up and putting her address on it and sending that out to her tomorrow. So I'm going to put her address on it now, send it out to her tomorrow, and I'm so freaking excited, and I think she's just so cute, and the thing she sent me is just so amazingly thought out, and I'm so, this is like my favorite, and honestly, I'm in just complete awe. But thank you so much, guys, and you deserve this present, and I really hope you like it. Bye! So I literally just ran in my car, grabbed the package, chucked the address on it. I had 10 minutes to spare, finally sent it off, and $120 later it should be coming her way. Shipping is so ridiculous to other countries. Like, honestly, I'm like, oh, $120, but it'll be so worth it to see the look on her face. So I really hope that she likes it. What do you guys think? Do you guys think she'll like it?